Namaskar. Good morning to all. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all in this online interdisciplinary one-day national workshop on recent trends in applied zoology. Friends, I am very much thankful to all participants for their enthusiastic support and overwhelming responses. Till date, more than 1,000 participants have registered from all over India to this course. Once again, I welcome all respected resource persons, Professor Dr. S.S. Patil, Dr. Snehata Ankaram, Dr. Rangrao Kaune, and Mr. Tejas Lengre. I have congratulated to the Department of Zoology of Balwant College Vita, Sri Vijayshi Yadav College Pet Vadgaon, and Baburao Patil College, Angar, Solapur. They have organized this wonderful activity in this COVID-19 pandemic. As we are aware that Government of India decided to extend the lockdown period to fight against COVID-19 pandemic. This lockdown is very unproductive to the teachers and academicians fraternity, as we are facing various problems to connect with students. Considering this fact, Department of Zoology thought over to convert this unproductive lockdown into academically productive and joyful by organizing online interdisciplinary one-day national workshop on recent trends in applied zoology. I am happy to say that, friends, the Department of Zoology is the one of the active department of Balwant College Vita. Zoology department has organized various activities in this pandemic period, such as online webinar on career opportunities in zoology, national level poster presentations and slogan writing competition on COVID-19 pandemic, creating safety zone, 1 week online interdisciplinary certificate course on apiculture, online webinar and drawing competition on organ donation awareness, online one-day webinar on biodiversity and environment conservation, Wildlife Week 2020, and state level online quiz competition on biodiversity and conservation 2020 on the occasion of International Day of Biological Diversity. I introduced the Parent Institute Rayat Shikshan Sanstha Satara, which is Mother Institute of Balwant College Vita. It is one of the leading educational institutions in Asia. The value of its contribution to education in general is enormously great, as it has from the very beginning tried all its best to lay emphasis on the education of the downtrodden, the poor, the ignorant, who really form the major bulk of society. The founder of the institution, late Dr. Karmir Bharao Patil, was a man of masses who devoted all his mind and heart to the cause of their education. He had an initial understanding of the social ills that faced his times and fully realized the dire need of the spread of education. He believed that education alone could correct the social ills such as caste hierarchy, money lending, illiteracy, untouchability, superstitions, and social and economically inequality. Today, the Samstha has been conducted 42 colleges, 7 training colleges, 438 secondary schools, 51 primary schools, including 19 English medium schools. It also conducts 33 pre-primary schools, 91 cosmopolitan hostels, 8 ashram shalas, and 1 research institute. This unique institution is working devotedly in about 15 districts of Maharashtra and 1 district in Karnataka. The above figure speaks of the phenomenal progress and achievements of the Rayat Shikshan Samstha as a dream by Karmivir Bhavarao Patil. The Rayat Shikshan Samstha, along with the people's cooperation, started Balwant College in 1963, owing the which the higher education has been made available for hundreds of the students residing in the town Vita and the area nearby, it whose right of the college education was usurped by poverty and thus proved to be a great boon for them. Friends, the college has been named after the respected father of greatest son of India, late Yashwantrao Chavan, then Deputy Prime Minister of India, and has been affiliated to Shivaji University, Kolhapur. The cumulative result of the constant achievements in academic, extracurricular activities and social performance of the college resulted in the receiving re-accreditation at a level with higher grade points of 3.11 by NAC Bangalore. The college has received funding from various agencies like DST, FEAST and RUSA. Recently, college also received ISO 9001-2015 certificate. With this brief introduction, once again I welcome you to all and wish you best luck for this online interdisciplinary one-day national workshop on recent trends in applied zoology. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Karmi.